Hello, my name is Ganesh Dange. My today's topic is plastic pollution, uh, growing global crisis. Plastic pollution has emerged as one of the most uh, pressing environmental issue of our time. Uh, the plastic pollution of the plastic products uh, in everyday life life has out places the world abilities to manage them effectively, leading to widespread spread uh, environmental uh, degradation from the depth of the ocean to the peak of mountains. Uh, Plastic waste is unpresent, posing several threats to wildlife, uh, the wildlife ecosystems, and human health. This easy into the causes of impact and potential solutions. The plastic pollution crisis, uh, undersourcing, the urgent need to collective action, the origin and scale of plastic pollution, the advent and significant plastic of uh, in need of collective action, early 20th century revolution, and that manufacturing and consumer goods, packaging and electronics. However, the very properties that make plastic so useful also make them into small pieces known as microplastic, which can persist in the environment of centuries. Global plastic production has increased exponential from 2 million metric tons uh, to metric tons in 1950 to over to over 380 million metric ton in 2015. And this RGS is in production, coupled with inadequate waste management system, has resulted in an alarming consumption of plastic waste. It is estimated. mm, It is estimated that 8 million metric ton of plastic, center of ocean, annual annual equivalent to dumping to dump a garage truck of plastic in the sea easy. Uh, See every minute environmental and the ocean plastic harm marine life through to um, to the marine life disturbing to the plastic marine cause physical harm block block digestive system tracks and introduce toxin chemicals um, into the food chain which can biopathy or affect human health. Microplastics, they particles less than 5 millimeters in diameter have been found in virtually every corner of the globe from acid Arctic ice to the deep sea. These particles can absorb and concentrate environmental pollution such as and heavy metals materials which can they then be indigest of the system of every corner of the globe for Arctic ice to the deep sea. Thank you.